Very good morning, my dear students. In the last class, means part 1 of Vedic Maths, we have discussed how to find out the squares of 2-digit or 3-digit number. In the second part, we will discuss multiplication. There are three or four videos on multiplication. Today we will discuss only 3 types of multiplication. Let's start. First, we will discuss the number of topic in multiplication. First is less than 100, means 2-digit number which are very close to 100 and less than 100. Second, we will discuss more than 100, say 105 into 107, 111 into 113. Then we will discuss multiply of any 2-digit number. These 3 topics we will discuss today, and the remaining we will discuss in the further lectures. Then multiply with 11, multiply of 3-digit number with any 3-digit number, multiply of 3-digit with 2-digit number, and multiply of 2-digit with 101. This is very important. And multiply of 3-digit with 1001 and some miscellaneous calculation. Then let's start. Student, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप क्या करो कि जब ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे तो उसमें आपको वीडियो पॉज करके इसको नोट डाउन कर लेना, और फर्दर उसके बाद आप क्या करना है, ये क्वेश्चन जो उसके बाद वाले क्वेश्चन है उसको साथ के साथ सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करें. यू हैव टू ट्राई टू सॉल्व ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन, देन मैच द आंसर एंड फाइंड योर that is correct or not, or find your error where you have make mistake. Now let's start. 98 into 96. Whenever you have to multiply 2-digit number which are less than 100, first of all write the difference between the number and the 100. Here 100 minus 98 is 2 and 100 minus 96 is 4. First of all write the difference. Now multiply these two number and write 2-digit. Now 4 into 2 8. To make 2-digit we will add 0 before 8. This is 08. Now subtract cross, means 98 minus 4, or you can do 96 minus 2. Both will give 94. 98 minus 4 or 96 minus 2, both will give 94. So the answer will be 9408. This is the multiplication of 98 into 96. First of all write the difference. Here the difference is 2 and 4. Multiply 2 and 4, that is 808. Can be written 98 minus 4 is 94. So 9408 will be the answer. Now student, try to solve these 3 numericals. You have 15 to 16 seconds. Okay student, hope you have done. Now let's start. 97 into 96. First of all write the difference. Here the difference is 3 and 4. Now 3 and 4, 3 4s are 12. So we will write 12, then 97 minus 4, this will be 93. So 9312 will be the answer. Now second, here the difference is 1 and 2. Multiply with 1 with 2, we will write 1 and 3. This will be 1 and 3. So write 03. Now subtract 99 minus 3 is 96. So 9603 will be the answer. Now 93 and 92. 93 means this is 7 less than 100 and this is 8 less than 100. So 7 8s are 56, and now subtract 92 minus 7, that is 85. 8556 will be the answer. Now 88 into 91. You have 50 second, sorry 20 second. So solve this. Okay student, see here, this is 88 into 91. First of all, write the difference. The difference is 12 and 9. So multiply 12 with 9, this will become 108. So write first two digits, that is 08, and 1 will be in the carry. 1 will be in the carry. Now 91 minus 12 or 88 minus 9. This will become 79. 91 minus 12, that is 79, and 1 carry will be add. So this will become 80. 79 plus 1, 80. So 8008 will be the answer. First of all, write difference, that is 12 and 9. 12 into 9, 108. Write 08 and 1 will be added in carry. Now 91 minus 12, that is 79, and 79 plus 1, this one become 80, and 8008 will be the answer. Now student, avoid these step also. Instead of writing 12 and 9, just do it mentally. For example, in this 96 into 95. First of all, the difference will be 4 and 5. This will become 20. 4, 5, 20. Then 96 minus 5. This will become 91. So 9120. आपको ऐसे करना है स्टूडेंट, बिना लिखे इसको, without any writing. You have to mentally, you have to calculate mentally. 4 into 5, 20, and 96 minus 5, this will become 9120. 9120 is answer. Now second, 98 into 91. Now this is 2 9. 2 9s are 18, and 98 minus 9, this will become 8 9. So 8918. First of all, 8918 will be the answer. How? 98, that is less than 2, and 91, that is 9. 9 into 2, 18, and 98 minus 9, this is 89. But you have to write this. You have to calculate this 91 minus 2, because this is easy. 98 minus 9 is tough as compared to 91 minus 2. So 8918 will be the answer. Now let's make the last question. 94 into 92. This is 6 and this is 8. So 48. 6 and 8, 48. And 94 minus 8, that is 86. So 8648. 8648 will be the answer. First of all, write difference, that is 6, and the difference here will be 8. 8 6 are 48, and 94 minus 8, that is 86. So 8648 will be the answer. Now what we will do for the numbers which are greater than 100? Again, first of all, write the difference. Here the difference will be 106, means the difference is 6 and 2. Again multiply 6 into 2. This will become 12. So 12. The difference, only the difference between less than and more than 100 is, in the previous we have subtracted this, now we will add this. So 106 plus 2, 108, or 102 plus 6 is 108. So 10812 will be the answer. First of all, write the difference, that is 6 and 2. Multiply 6 and 2, this will become 12, and add these two, add the cross, 2 with 6, or we can say 6 with 102. Now 103 and 108, 103 and 108, 3 and 8, 3 8s are 24, and simply add these two digits. This will become 11. So 11124. For example, in this we are also writing adding this 106 plus 2, that is 108. So simply add this. This will become 111, that is 111, and next 8 3s are 24. So 11124 will be the answer. Now in this, multiply 11 with 3, this will become 33, and 103 plus 11, this will become 114. So 11433 will be the answer. 3 into 11. This 11 and this 3. 3 into 11, 33, and on adding 103 in and 11 we will get 114. So 11433 will be the answer. In the next, 102 into 103. So on adding this will become 105, and on multiplying this is 06. So 10506 is the answer. स्टूडेंट आप देखो कि कितना इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है कि हमें एक्चुअल जो 3 स्टेप इनके कैलकुलेशन के बनने थे वो हम अवॉइड करके सिर्फ एक स्टेप में इसको कैलकुलेशन को खत्म कर रहे हैं. नाउ 105 into 105. Here we have number of methods for this. This is square of 105. So in the last method we have discussed that this, if we any number which contain unit digit as a 5, we just multiply this with its consecutive number, that is 10 into 11. This will become 110, and we will write 11025 as the answer. In this method, first multiply 5 into 5, that is 25, and add this. Again the answer will be 11025. Now this will be 10815, because 3 5s are 15 and 3 and 5 8, 10815. Now 112 into 111. Student, on adding you will get 123, but on multiplying 12 into 11, that is 132. आपको स्टूडेंट मल्टीप्लाई भी सिखाते हैं कि 12 into 11 को कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 12 into 11. 11 means 10 plus 1. This 11 can be written as 10 plus 1. Now you know that 12 into 10 means 120 plus 12, that is 132. 12 into 10, that is 120, plus 12, that is 132. So we will write 32 this here, and then add the 1 as a remainder. 1 2 4 3 2 will be the answer. Now this 8 7s are 56 and 8 7 15. So 11556. Now multiply of any 2-digit number. Multiply of any 2-digit number. In this you have to make this as a cross. Make a cross of in your mind here. first of all multiply its unit digits. Say this 2 into 2, that is 4. 2 into 2 4. Now multiply the cross. Now 2 into 4 8 and 3 into 2 6. This 4 into 2 8 and 3 into 2 6. Add these 8 or 6 14. So write 14 and 1 will be in the carry. Now 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13. So 1344 is will be the answer. First of all multiply these two unit digit, that is 2 into 2 4. Now 2 into 4 8, 3 into 2 6, 8 and 6 14. Write 4 and 1 will be the in carry. Now multiply first two digit, that is 4 3s are 12 and 12 plus 1 13. So 1344 will be the answer. Now in the next 36 into 33. 6 3s are 18, so 1 will be then in the carry. Now 3 3s are 9 and 1 10 and 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 10 28. 2 in the carry and 3 into 3 9 plus 2, that is 11. So 1188 will be the answer. मेंटली देखो स्टूडेंट कैसे करना है इसको मेंटली. 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9, 9 and 1 10 and 6 3s are 18, 18 and 10 28. 2 in carry, 3 3s are 9 and 2 11. Now next 34 into 29. 9 4s are 36, 3 9 3s are 27 and 3 30 and 2 4s are 8, 8 and 30 38. 3 will be in carry, 3 2s are 6 and 3 9. So 986 will be the answer. स्टूडेंट साथ के साथ प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, ट्राई कीजिए कि आपको इसको साथ के साथ सॉल्व करें. नाउ नेक्स्ट 54 into 48. 54 into 48. So 8 4s are 32, 3 in carry, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 3 43 and 4 4s are 16. 43 plus 16, that is 59. 5 in carry, 5 4s are, this 5 4s are 50, 20, 20 plus 5 25. So 2592 will be the answer. 2592. Now multiply 63 into 32. 63 into 32. Again 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. This will become 21. 12 plus 9 21. 2 in carry, 6 3s are 18 plus 2 20. So 2016 will be the answer. Now 48 into 44. 8 4s are 32. This 8 4s are 32. 3 in carry. 4 4s are 16 plus 3 19 and 19 in, plus 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 19 51. 5 in carry, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 5 21. So 2112 will be the answer. 2112. Now next 57 into 29. Now 7 9s are 63, 6 in carry, 9 5s are 45, 45 plus 6 51, 51 plus 14. 51 plus 14 65. Now 6 in carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 6 16. So 1653 1653 will be the answer. नेक्स्ट 51 इंटू 38, 8 1 जा 8, 8 5 40, नेक्स्ट 3 इंटू 1 3, 40 प्लस 3 सॉरी 51 into 38, that is 8, and this will become 40 plus 3 43. Here we will write 3 and 4 and 5 3s are 15 and 4 19. So 1938 will be the answer. Okay स्टूडेंट अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर जरूर करें, और साथ में कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे बताएं कि आपको इसमें किसी कहाँ पे कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है या फिर आपको कैसा लगा ये वीडियो। ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।